Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to replace like your brake light bulbs, all the bulbs in the rear of this Honda CRV. Let's check it out. This one's a 2004. Okay guys, and first thing we got to do here is we have 8 millimeters. We got to go ahead and take those guys out. And then we're just going to grab on your light fixture and it pops out. And then all of our bulbs will be exposed right there. And basically, what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. It's gonna be very difficult. Is like on this one, it's a lefty-loosey twist, pop out, and then this bulb, you just grab a hold of it, and it pops right out. And then of course you're gonna stick them back in there and twist them back in. And it's gonna be wash, rinse, and repeat for all of these. So we got the 3 different bulbs right there. Next, we're gonna check on this one right here. Okay guys, and this top one is gonna be the same. You're just gonna really wanna get 2 hands on it. I took my right hand here and then hooked my finger up around here, my left hand, and then just took up both hands and popped it out. And then we're just gonna kind of pull this guy out. And now we can see, I believe this is the turn signal. This guy, you're also just going to spin on the left, and then we'll be able to pull him out there.